We at Kishor Pumps focus on aligning the needs of the application to the products. So whenever a product is selected, it goes through a thorough process of evaluation for the application suitability, and then only the product is selected. With regards to the sewage treatment in India, we need to consider a lot of parameters other than the hydraulic parameters itself. This includes silt, sand, the solids concentration, the start stops, as well as other parameters in terms of the outflow and the inflow requirements. We also have designed the pumps over the last few years using our experience to ensure that maximum possible repair and maintenance of the pumps happens at site with minimum possible tools as well as low skilled manpower. One of the many plants working using our pumps is a 30 million liters a day, that's MLD plant at Panipat, where we have supplied 15 pumps for raw sewage pumping as well as for the aeration basin, which includes the return activated sludge, that's RAS, and the surplus activated sludge, that's SAS. So combined for all the three applications, we have supplied 15 number of pumps, and they are working since 2018. This plant is based on the sequential batch reactor, that is SBR technology, and the engineering management is done by WAPCOS. The plant is owned by Panipat Municipal Council and is implemented by the Haryana Shahri Vikas Pradhikaran in 2018. The plants are working satisfactorily since 2018. We thank everyone associated with the project for giving us the opportunity to supply our pumps, and we look forward to supply quality pumps for many more sewage treatment plants using our vast experience. Thank you.